Nervous coordination part 11. Diencephalon. It is third part of forebrain, which consists of three parts: epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. And this part is situated just below the corpus callosum. First part, epithalamus. It is thin, non-nervous roof of the diencephalon. This part is epithalamus, which is non-nervous, and it forms the roof of the diencephalon. Its functions include secretion of melatonin by pineal gland, because pineal gland is attached with the diencephalon, and regulation of motor pathways and emotions. Second, thalamus. It is a small structure within a brain just below the epithalamus. This part is called as thalamus. It consists of nervous tissue, and it connects cerebral cortex with midbrain. The main function of thalamus is to relay motor and sensory signals to the cerebral cortex. थैलेमस का काम होता है सेंसरी और मोटर नर्व इम्पल्सेस को या सिग्नल्स को लोअर पार्ट से अपर पार्ट तक ट्रांसफ़र कर देना, यानी हाइंड ब्रेन और मिड ब्रेन से सेरेब्रम तक सिग्नल्स को ट्रांसफ़र करना. नंबर थर्ड, हाइपोथैलेमस. इट फॉर्म्स द फ्लोर ऑफ diencephalon and richly supplied with blood vessels. ये हाइपोथैलेमस डायनसेफेलॉन का फ्लोर बनाता है और ये डायनसेफेलॉन का तीसरा हिस्सा होता है. इट मेंटेन्स होम्योस्टैसिस एंड इंटरनल इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ बॉडी, secretes hormones oxytocin and vasopressin. It connects nervous system with endocrine system. It regulates heart rate, respiration, blood pressure, body temperature. It has center for hunger, thirst, fear and emotions. It controls pituitary gland. It also contains optic nerves, that is center for vision. हाइपोथैलेमस बॉडी के इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट को मेंटेन करता है. इसी तरीके से वो दो हार्मोन भी सिक्रीट करता है, ऑक्सीटोसिन और वैसोप्रेसिन. ये नर्वस सिस्टम और एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम को भी कनेक्ट करता है, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड को कंट्रोल करता है. इसी तरीके से ये बहुत सारे बॉडी के डेलिकेट फंक्शंस को भी कंट्रोल करता है, जैसे हार्ट बीट, रेस्पिरेशन, ब्लड प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर. ये हंगर, थर्स्ट, फियर और इमोशंस को भी कंट्रोल करता है. देन मिड ब्रेन. इट इज़ द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ brain which is situated between diencephalon and pons varoli. This is called as pons varoli, which is part of hind brain. So mid brain is situated between diencephalon and pons varoli. It consists of two parts, corpora quadrigemina and cribra cerebri. Corpora quadrigemina consists of 4 rounded elevations on dorsal surface of midbrain. 2 are called as superior colliculi for visual reflex and 2 are called as inferior colliculi for auditory reflex. So there are 4 rounded elevations towards the dorsal side of midbrain. Upper 2 are called as superior colliculi and lower 2 elevations are called as inferior colliculi. Superior colliculi are centers for sense of vision and inferior colliculi are centers for sense of hearing. Then second part of midbrain are called as crura cerebri. These are a pair of thick fibrous tracts present on lower side of midbrain. These consist of ascending and descending fibers and they connect cerebrum with midbrain. So this is the crura cerebri, which consists of longitudinal narrow fibers which connects the forebrain with midbrain and hindbrain. So these consist of ascending and descending fibers and they carry messages from cerebrum to hindbrain and from hindbrain to cerebrum.